In the days, weeks, months after Helene, we were just like so many other people, head down and trying to help the community. It was an overwhelming grief about the state of our neighbors.
The root of the word community is unity. That's exactly what exists right here in Swannanoa Valley. Black Mountain is a town where people come over and over again to relive old times that were great. You go to the same restaurants, you shop in the same stores, you visit the same people, you do the same things.
So we had been working on building the kitchen prior to Helene, and just given everything that the community had gone through, we're all in this together, come hell or high water. It's all about resilience and the community and holding each other up and taking one step at a time and just moving forward together.
If you're coming to this area for the first time, what you're going to see is a community that supports the arts. I think that folks travel here to be exposed to painting and sculpture and ceramics and glass. They come here to studio hop. It's a small town that really believes in its residents and it believes in its businesses.
There are scars in Swannanoa, but our roads are open and there's lovely people running amazing businesses. Whether that's a piece of art, whether it's a delicious meal, whether it's a tasty beverage. We've all worked so hard to bring our businesses back.
Everybody who lives and works here is so invested in the Black Mountain community. The heart is still here. It's just a really lovely place to be and to come to visit.
We're ready, come back. Black Mountain's open for business, and we have been, but we are more than ready now. And we want you to see that we're okay.
Black Mountain is open and ready. Come visit us.